Our reason for supporting carbon removal and for venturing into this world had a lot to do with the fact that when we became a publicly traded company, we also made a statement that we wanted to be a 100-year company. And if you're going to operate on a time horizon 100 years from now, the world is going to be very different than it is today. And one of those things that's going to be a threat to our business if we don't deal with it is climate change. The luxury of being able to help scale the carbon removal market so that we have removals down the road when those net zero targets hit. And we're not just going to be able to turn on all the DAC plants that just magically appear. We have to scale them and support them today. So that's why we're focusing our efforts there, because we can.
And the way that I think we think about it internally is where there's a gap in what needs to happen to meet our climate goals, that's a gap that we feel like we can fill. The truth, it's true for nature and our work on nature, and it's true for carbon removal. It's a space that needs acceleration, and we have a lever that we can exercise in order to accelerate that market.
For Microsoft, we think of this more of a responsibility, not just to the planet, but also to our customers. Those who can move faster and farther should do it. And that kind of tells you why Microsoft made the big commitment to go carbon negative by 2030.
When we look for projects, we kind of use 3 different lenses of how we're evaluating. So we're looking for things that hit our approach criteria, execution, and portfolio. So execution, is this a team that can do what they said they're proposing to do? Portfolio, are we building a risk-adjusted portfolio of solutions that we think will get us to what we need in 2030 and beyond? Thank you to the many, many suppliers in this room. You guys are doing the really hard work of actually building the thing, and so we get to sit up here and tell you how we think about it, but you guys are doing the real work, so thank you.